students, today we are going to start a new chapter from your Maths book 1. The name of your book is Shapes and Sizes, okay? Shapes and sizes, or you can say patterns also. So, everything we see around us, okay, has some shapes and patterns, okay? You can see in the blackboard, we can find different basic shapes such as square, circle, rectangle, triangle, oval, okay? So, these are the names of those shapes. You must have come through so many shapes of these kinds, okay? Each object takes a shape, okay? These geometric shapes can be found in some of the things like balloons, ball, okay, book, pencil, eraser, okay, the book which you will read it, okay, this book also has one shape, okay, see it has some shape, and the pencil with which you write, it also has a different shape, okay, and the eraser which you use, that is also of different shape. So, each shapes are of different patterns and sizes, okay, but the basic of all is square, circle, rectangle, triangle and oval, okay. We can find these basic shapes in everywhere, okay. So, let us try to know more about these basic shapes, okay. Number 1, triangle, okay. Look at the blackboard, you can see triangle, okay, one shape. This has a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides, okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangle, okay. 3 sides. Square, okay, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. These squares are made up of 4 straight lines. Remember, these are straight lines, okay. 3 straight lines here, it made triangle, square, again 4 straight lines. Next, circle, okay. It is made up of one curved line, okay. This is not made up of straight line. You cannot call this shape as being made up of straight line, okay. This is curved line. This is curved, not straight, okay. Next, rectangle. It is also made up of 4 straight line, okay. These 2 sides are known as this length and these sides are known as breadth. 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle, okay. And last one you see oval, okay. It is a 2-dimensional shape with no straight line, okay. There is no, you cannot see any straight line drawn here, okay. This is a 2-dimensional shape with no straight line. It becomes oval. So, these are the basics one, okay. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle, oval, okay. So, let us read some examples from these basic shapes. Triangle, as I have told you, it has 3 sides. Examples, Christmas tree. You can see Christmas tree during the Christmas, its shapes is like this, tree, okay. The shapes becomes like this, in this way. Square, it has also 4 sides. Box, okay, anything, any toolbox, any pencil box, you can see that. Dice, bread, chessboard, okay. Dice, Ludo, when you play Ludo, you get to scroll the dice. The dice is of square shape, okay. Bread, you eat the bread. Chessboard, okay, it is also of square. Next, circle, it is also made up of one curved line. Coin, you can see coin, that it is made up of, it is circle, it is of circle shape. Ring, what you wear in your fingers, you can also see that this is of circle, okay, in a shape of circle. Rectangle, it is made up of 4 straight line. Door, book, okay, the book you can see here, this is not square, okay, this is rectangle, okay. And door, okay, you can see the door of your house also, you can see the shape and you will know what rectangle looks like. This shape is known as rectangular shape, okay. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle. Most of the things that you see around here are form of these basic shapes, okay. So, next, oval, okay. Oval, example is egg, balloons, okay. Cone, cone, ice cream, okay, ice cream, and cylinder. Cylinder, example is can, candle. These are the basic examples which I have taken, okay, from your surroundings, which you can find it very easily, okay. Very easy and very similar to our eyes. We can always see these things around us, egg and balloon. So, whenever you will see anything from now, you just try to identify what is this shape, okay, what are these shapes, Okay, we have already come to know the name of the shapes and patterns. So when you see the objects, okay, objects here is egg, balloon. The examples which I have cited you here are known as objects. Okay, objects of a shape. Shapes means this all. Okay, these are shapes and patterns, and the objects, the examples, or the things which you see around yourself, these are objects. Okay, ice cream, can, candle. Okay, these are the basic shapes and their examples. So now we shall know about straight line and curved lines. Okay, when we were studying about shapes, about circle, I explained you about the circle. Okay, and I told you that circle is not a straight, it's not made up of straight line. Okay, it is of curved shape. Okay, curved line here, curved line or curved shape, it means here any line which is not straightly drawn. Okay, it can go in this way, zigzag also, it can go in this shape also, you can draw it in this way also, but these are not called as, they are not known as straight lines. Okay, straight line means this one. Okay, the straight one simple line you are to draw from the starting and ending point, this is a straight line. Okay, and straight line, it includes square, rectangle, okay, triangle, which I have told you, which falls under the basic common basic shapes. And in curved line or in curved shapes, what comes? That comes circle, okay, circle, oval, and so on. Okay, so this falls under curved line. They are not straight, they are curved in a curved way. It is not straight and it is bent. Okay, bent. Okay, these are not straight, it is going up and down, sometimes in zigzag way, sometimes it comes from up to down, from down to up. Okay, these are known as curved line or curved shape. Okay, which is not straight and it bends, it moves left and right. Letters with only straight lines. Okay, in English alphabet, when you sit and write English alphabet, you can write these things, you can find straight and curved lines in the alphabets also. Okay, for your understanding, okay, I have written these things very clearly. So letters with only straight line, okay, which you can write while using straight line. Okay, there is no use of any curved line. Okay, A, when you write A, you just make 3 lines here, A. Okay, E, F, H, I, K, L. Okay, you just go on looking, observing these lines, these alphabets. You can see these alphabets are written with the help of only straight line. No curved letters, no curved letters are written here, because these letters are to be written using straight lines. L, M, N, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are your English alphabets which are formed from straight lines. Next, letters with curved lines. They are not straight. C, okay, C is not straight. You cannot consider C as a straight line because it is bent. When you write C, you have to write in this way. It doesn't make any straight line here. Okay, it is curved. Okay, so that is known as curved lines. O, Q, S. Okay, so these are curved lines. Now letters with both straight and curved lines. Okay, you have to find out those alphabets which are both straight as well as curved. Okay, so number 1 will be your D. One straight line is drawn here while writing. When you write D, here, you can see you have to draw one straight line. Okay, and then you have to join these 2 points. Okay, it becomes an English alphabet D. Okay, we are using both straight and curved lines. Next, E is a straight line, F also straight, G. Okay, G is not here. G is our both curved and straight. See, when you write G, first you have to write in this way. Okay, you are using curved and then you have to draw straight 2 lines. So it becomes curved as well as straight line alphabet. Okay, H, I, okay, and then you see again J. See, first we have drawn one straight line. Okay, again here we made one straight line and then we are curving the line. C. J. K, L, M, N, then O. O is totally your curved line. Okay, you don't need to use any straight line. Okay, then P. We are doing one straight line and we are curving it here. Okay, so it becomes P. We are using both straight and curved line. P. Okay, Q is your curved line. R. One straight line, again we are using here curved line, again straight, R. Okay, S, T. Okay, then U. Two straight line and we are adjoining these two straight line by using one curved shape. Okay, C. It becomes U. Then V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so these are the English alphabets which are written by using straight line, curved line, and also by using straight as well as curved lines also. Okay.
Shapes. Each object is of some shape. Blackboard, clock. Some plain figures. All shapes have a special name. Let us learn about a few shapes. Square. This shape has 4 sides and 4 corners. The 4 sides are equal. This is a square. Triangle. This shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a triangle. Circle. This shape has no sides or corners. This is a circle. Rectangle. This shape has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides are equal. This is a rectangle.
So in our today's class we have learned and you have tried to know about shapes and sizes, its patterns. Okay, and we have tried to know about the straight line, curved line, and also the ways through which curved and straight line can be written in English. Okay, so for your better understanding I have written this thing. Okay, and you watch the video very thoroughly and also at the same time you continuously read the book, and more importantly you observe your surroundings. Okay, the shapes of the objects. You remember I told you the objects means the things. Okay, the things that you use. Okay, in your day-to-day life you observe the shapes of those objects. Okay, from there you will be familiar with it will be easier for you to be familiar with the shapes and size and their lines, how it is drawn, how it is used in our day-to-day life. Okay, thank you.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब. जय हिंद.